Awning Windows Mandeville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles available, residents can select from custom awning windows, energy-efficient awning windows, and more to suit their specific needs. Mandeville awning window installation services ensure a seamless process from start to finish. For those in need of window awning replacement, Mandeville, expert awning windows. Mandeville contractors are available to address any issues promptly. Whether it's a minor fix or a major overhaul, Mandeville awning window replacement services provide reliable solutions to keep your windows in top condition. Trust the awning window experts in Mandeville for all your replacement needs. Custom awning windows. Mandeville offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home. With a range of awning window design options, homeowners can choose from vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and more. Mandeville custom awning windows are tailored to fit your style and preferences, ensuring a perfect match for your home. Energy-efficient awning windows. Mandeville are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Mandeville energy-efficient awning windows are available in various materials and styles to meet your specific requirements. Awning window replacement. Mandeville is a straightforward process with the help of experienced awning window contractors. Whether you're upgrading to new vinyl awning windows Mandeville or replacing old aluminum awning windows, Mandeville awning window replacement services ensure a hassle-free experience. Get in touch with Mandeville awning window specialists for a consultation today. Vinyl awning windows. Mandeville are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer excellent insulation and are available in a variety of styles to complement any home. Mandeville vinyl awning windows are an affordable and practical option for homeowners. Aluminum awning windows Mandeville provide a sleek and modern look for any home. Known for their strength and longevity, these windows are ideal for those seeking a durable solution. Aluminum awning windows. Mandeville are available in various designs to suit your aesthetic preferences.